More than 30,000 farmers, including some from Sudan, Ethiopia and Uganda, are expected to attend the 17th Annual Farmers Field Day at Wambugu Farm Agricultural Training Center in Nyeri at the end of the month. Over 130 exhibitors, mostly selling farm inputs, will showcase their work. Nyeri has the details.
The Wambugu Farm Agricultural Center is a beehive of activity as final preparations of the annual Farmers Field Day get underway. This year's two-day event will be held on Friday 29th and Saturday 30th July. With agriculture being the backbone of the economy of central Kenya, the Farmers Field Day is an event that attracts thousands of farmers from across the region and beyond. More than 30,000 farmers are expected to attend this year's event, up from the 27,000 farmers who graced the occasion last year in 2016.
In this forum or in this field day, we have different companies which will be exhibiting their technologies. We have farm input supply companies. We have livestock companies that deal with livestock products, from the breeding all the way to milking and all that, and value addition.
The attendees of the field day will be treated to a variety of new crops that are on display this year, such as the English spinach, which has locally been coined sukuma siku. You all know sukuma wiki, kale, which is a staple in most Kenyan households. Well, feast your eyes on sukuma siku, which, with its purple coloring, draws curious stares from many who only know of green vegetables.
That is an old sukuma wiki, only that we've not been. It has not been like displayed as much in before. I mean, there before. We call it sukuma siku. We have the purplish one, and we also have the green one, and we also have another variety that we call rape. Rape is not very common in this country, but it is available in the supermarkets.
Other new varieties that will be showcased are Brussels sprouts and rapeseed. The chairman of the Wambugu Stakeholders Forum, Sam Kimani, says other stakeholders such as agriculture-related companies are expected to exhibit their products too. The forum accords farmers an opportunity to interact with various agrochemical companies and to receive free training and advice on farming. Nyeri County Agriculture Executive Robert Thuo said the county government is working closely with the stakeholders and security agents to ensure traffic is not disrupted and that there is security for the participants. Carol Derry, KT News, Nyeri.